Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to create and share payment link to your customers. Now on Keepsales, you are able to generate a payment link that you can personally send to your customers via email or bulk SMS or WhatsApp, etc. Customers can click on that link and then initiate payment from wherever they are. So let's dive right into how we can do this. Okay, so we click on the main menu, we click on Momo card payment, and then we click on payment settings. Okay, so it brings us to the payment settings page. Okay, so what we do is you click inside and create a payment page. Okay, so when we click here, okay, it says that payment pages are the easiest way to collect payments with Sumundi, which is powered by Paystack. Now, payment pages allows you to create a page to collect payments. Now, the page can be accessed by the link you create, which you can share with your customers, via SMS, email, WhatsApp, Twitter, or any medium of your choice. You can paste it anywhere. This link is also unique to your business, and all your customers have to do is to just tap it, open it, and then they can make payments to you directly. Okay, so this is how we are going to go about it. So first we have to create the payment link. So we have to provide a name over here. So this is test business. The name of my shop is testing company. So type in testing company here. Okay, so it says that your link should only contain numbers, letters, and a hyphen. They should not contain any spaces. Don't forget to click save changes when you are done. Okay, so once I've typed in here, okay, so this is the link. Okay, this is the link displayed. As you type the name, okay, you realize that it begins to fill up over here. So testing company, and then you click to save the payment link. Okay, so once you click to save the payment link, you get a success message to that effect. Okay, now this is going to be what you share, okay, to your customers. So you can just right click on this, and then click on copy link address. Okay, so once you have this, okay, you can share it via email, via WhatsApp, okay, any medium that you want to attach it to. Okay, so now if we want to have a look at how the link is going to look like. So when we tap on it, when we click on it, actually, so this is when your customers get this link, they can just tap on this and this is what they are going to see. Okay, so if I'm the customer and I clicked on this link, okay, all I have to do is provide my name, Charles. Let's say my name is Charles. What are you paying for? Let's say I'm paying for food. It can be souvenirs, it can be groceries, it can be drugs. It depends on whatever that I'm buying from you. So let's just say food. And then I can enter the amount that I want to pay. Let's say 1 city, 5 city, 10 city, 100 cities, any amount, okay, that you want to use. I would like to use one. Okay, so you click on pay. Now, once you click on pay, the page is going to load up, okay? Like we stated that this is powered by Paystack, okay? And so, we are going to get this notification. Now, if it's via card, you just click on card, okay? And then you provide whatever card. So the customer is going to provide whatever card details that they have. If it's via mobile money, okay, you use my mobile money over here. You enter the number, okay, and then you click to confirm. And once you click to confirm, you are going to receive a prompt, okay, which is going to tell you to initiate payments, which I'm doing right now. Okay. Okay, so I have authorized payments. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so it tells me payment has been very successful. Okay, and it tells you congratulations, your payment was processed successfully. Your reference code is that long number over there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available, so do well to check this up. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a nice time and bye bye.